Hi everyone. So to continue working with the previous program that we've written in the previous video, what I plan to do, or what I would like to do, is to actually clear the screen every time this function is called, and that way it will look like we've only got one frame. So what I'm meaning to do is to use sequences in order to clear the screen, and it's actually really easy. Just one line of code that we can add here, or maybe here somewhere, but here is good. Every time we call this function, we want to clear the screen. So it's kind of similar to what we are going to do is use the CSI control sequences, where we kind of say Control L. So if I hit Control L from the keyboard, it clears the console over here. So we just want to kind of print that out. So the control sequence basically is escape 33H, and again escape 33. Now it's J. So what this means is this part over here, the first half, basically it locates the cursor or it moves the cursor to the top left corner of the screen, and the second part over here clears the screen from the cursor location till the end of the screen. So if I'm running now, you'll see that it actually clears everything, and it looks like we've only got one frame and just the second that is changing. So it kind of looks like a digital clock, which is pretty cool. This is running for 60 minutes. You can change this to run for the time that you'd like it to. So I said 60 minutes, I meant 60 times pausing for a second, so it's going to run for a minute. But you can adjust this to what you'd like your program to do. And it's as simple as that, and I hope it was helpful for you, and I'll see you in the next video. Thank you.